Properties that don't break the bank are hard to find right now. I'm Ryan Schaffner with the Jason Whittle All-Pro team. I'd like to show you around 240 Jamie Drive. This 2-bedroom, 1-bath home has a very efficient layout, a fenced-in backyard, close to schools, shopping, restaurants, everything. It would make a great investment property or full-time residence. Properties in this price point do not come up that often. This one is definitely worth taking a look. If you want a private showing, give us a call at 800-836-2005 and we'll set up a private showing for you. Thank you, have a great day.